All right, let's talk about cats and kidney disease. Okay, so when I started in this field, I only worked with people, and I wrote my first book in 2006. 2006, I'm pretty sure it was. And anyway, so I got a lot of emails and calls of people with cats and dogs with kidney disease wanting to know if there was anything they can do for it. And at the time, we weren't working at all with cats or dogs. And then as more people kept on, we were like, we have to do this. There's a big need here for this, and there's not a lot of great products out there for it or a lot of good things you can do. So we met with a owner of a pet nutritionist school, okay, licensed pet nutritionist school. We've had pet nutritionist consultants here, vets, and then went and got trained myself, and we learned a lot here in the office and a lot that you can do to help your pet with kidney disease. So if your cat does have kidney disease, okay, take him to a good vet. All right, really important. Make sure you get all the proper testing, all the proper veterinary care. Two, you want to give him a renal diet. All right, so you can get one prescribed by the vet or one of the commercial renal diets that you find online. And third, you want to use supplements. Okay, and I want to talk about our supplement, Kidney Restore for cats and dogs. Okay, one of my proudest supplements. I'm the chemist who formulates everything, and this one took quite a while, and I'm really proud of it because it gets such a strong therapeutic response. And you can read about our testimonials on our website. You can read about them on Amazon, about our product. And what makes Kidney Restore so different than everything else, okay? First off, it has 50 billion probiotics, okay, and that's 50 billion, so that's a lot. And these are kidney-specific probiotics. There's 7 types of probiotics in there that are designed and looked at just for kidney health, okay? So they do an amazing job at all those good things that probiotics with helping support healthy inflammation, helping support healthy toxin levels, helping support a good GFR, creatinine, so, good stuff. And it's got the 2 main types of probiotics I mentioned in another video, plus 5 others, okay? And then it has prebiotics as FOS, okay, which helps those probiotics grow, multiply, and do more good things. It has a little bit of sodium bicarbonate to just take off the acid buildup that'll come along with kidney disease. Now, it's not a lot where it's going to cause any issues with potassium or anything like that. It's just it's the tiniest amount just to take the edge off, to allow those kidneys to rest and heal. We also have some Camu Camu powder, which is for vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C, a great antioxidant for the whole body and the kidneys. And so this really is a complete product. And the last ingredient is niacinamide, all right, which is B3, which is the new hottest phosphorus absorber, and it works better than anything I've ever seen in practice with people and cats and dogs. And that's going to help control those phosphorus levels. Plus, it's good for cholesterol. It helps the kidneys. So, this is a great complete product that you should just take a look at and read more about it. It's Kidney Restore for cats and dogs. And you generally will see good results. All right, it's a powder form that's bacon flavored. And unfortunately with cats and dogs, we always want them to do what's best. But a lot of times they're just not. They're not going to eat the food. They're not going to take their medicine. They're not going to take the pills, the powder. So we recommend mixing it in wet food. You can always hand syringe feed, okay, where you kind of you mix the powder with a little bit of juice maybe from their food, all right, and then you just hand syringe it into the mouth, all right. That's a great way to get it in if your animals aren't consuming the product or consuming any of their medicine. A lot of people do that. Maybe you're not comfortable with that, and no matter what you do, you just can't get your pet to take it, all right, that's okay. We have a 60-day refund policy, so just send it back. We'll give you the full credit, the full refund. Don't worry about it. Unfortunately, we wish every animal would take what they're supposed to, but as you know, they won't. So we'll just take the product back. Okay, not a problem there. So, good stuff. It also comes with 60 days email support, all right, from actual pet health coaches, pet nutritionists here, so you can find out more things you can do for your cat's kidney health or dog's kidney health. So take a look at our website, read about our product, got more videos that can help, our YouTube channel here. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is Robert Galarowitz. Bye.